Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, we have 3 layers and I will animate these layers with camera tool, and also I will use some effects from plugin play. Let me show how. Go to Window, Extensions. As you can see here, plugin play assets browser. Let's open, and we have huge tools for create 3D animations, colors, keyframes, effects, transitions and others. And let's talk about what's plugin play assets browser. Plugin play brings many useful After Effects tools in the one place. You can find plugins, scripts, presets and templates without leaving After Effects. Everything is easy to access and ready to use. It helps you save you times, searching for tools and more time creating animations. So guys, first one, let's set up scene and create camera animations. We have 3 layers and let's choose layers, turn on 3D layer. If you don't see this part, you can click toggle switch modes. And now let's create new camera tool. Right click, new and camera. And I will use presets 35mm and OK. Also for camera controls, let's right click camera and create orbit node. And for move to anchor point center, hold Control, double click pen behind icon. So this is my first camera. Let's change name 1. Also let's create new null object, change name 2. And create another null object, change name 3. So select 2 and 3 layer, turn on 3D layer and choose layer 1, link to layer 2, select layer 2, link to layer 3. And let's choose null object 1, press P, and let's create new passing keyframe, go to 2 seconds and let's zoom to like this. And let's go to back, select this main character, let's press P, zoom to Z axis here, to front. And in this time, let's see preview. Okay, not bad. We can zoom to more. Okay, and select these keyframes, make it easy or click F9. Go to Graph Editor, select keyframes and make smooth animation. And let's preview animation. Okay, so for smooth continue animation, let's choose null object 2, press P and go to here. Let's create new passing keyframe, go to 5 seconds and move to left and zoom to left character. Okay, let's select keyframes, make it easy, go to Graph Editor, make smooth graph and also let's keyframe graph and preview animation. Okay, we can see smooth camera transition to left character. And now select this layer 3, press P, and let's create new passing keyframe, move to here and go to 5 seconds and let's move to right character and zoom to more and enable title action save. Select keyframes, make it easy, go to Graph Editor, let's make smooth graph, back to keyframes and preview animation. Nice. Very good. So let's create background elements. Right click, new and solid layer. Add the name background, click OK. Move to behind of layers. Go to FS Presets, search effect, fill. Use fill for background. And color, choose black like this. And also let's select this background, Ctrl D for duplicate, change name grid and remove fill. Go to FS Presets, search effect grid, use grid for solid layer and change size for width slider and opacity like this and borders 3. Okay, and now let's select these 2 layers, right click, pre-compose, add name background and OK. So we can control here these layers and let's back to main composition and turn on 3D layer. Okay. So go to FS Presets, search effect black and white. Let's use these characters. And this, also this. So in this time, let's open camera inside, camera option and enable depot field. And let's see timing. Okay, we can change aperture like this, change and blur 150. Let's see. Okay, I want to create keyframes. Let's go to here Let's see full animation. Okay, very nice. Smooth camera animations. Okay, it works. So after camera animation, let's add some effects for professional visuals. Let's go to plug and play and click search. Let's paste here Mimlek and this effect for infinity glitch. Let's click here and import. So let's click down, and after import any FX scripts, you want to restart After Effects. Let's do it. Okay, after restart After Effects, let's choose this background and go to FX, and we can see Polygon and Mimlek. Let's open, and now it works. I will use this effect only left and right side persons, and edit split layer. Okay, now again let's edit split layer. Choose this first background and remove this Mimlek. Again the last layer, remove. Let's see. Nice. And let's preview animation. Okay, that's good. Select this background. We have settings here. Let's go to solo. We have 3 version styles. Let's choose this cloudy. Let's see. Okay, and this version. So this is my favorite version. So in this time, let's back to project, open map. Let's choose these logos. Let's copy and back to characters. And let's choose first layer and Ctrl V for paste layers. So in this time, let's choose this Tesla. In this time, I will use again effect from plug and play, and it's called Easy Connect. Search here Easy Connect, and let's import. Let's go to window, and we can see Easy Connect here. Let's open, and we have tools for create animations. For example, with 3 layers we can create connect dots. With 4 layers, 5 layers, we have 3 icons. Let's choose Tesla, Microsoft and Amazon, and let's click this icon for create line connected. And here we go. Now we can move icons like this with connecting lines, also this and this. Let's close for now. Choose this Tesla, press P, and let's hold Alt click time icon for open expression. Right here wiggle 1, 9. And for down expression, click this empty area. Select these 3 layers and go to solo, also this line. Nice. And let's copy expression and choose Microsoft, press P, hold Alt, click time icon, Ctrl V for paste, and also Amazon, press P. Nice. So in this time, let's unsolo all layers and select these all layers and lines, right click, pre-compose, add name, connect logos, and OK. So back to main composition, click this icon for turn on 3 layer. Okay, not bad. And now let's select this connect, let's move to right. And press T, change opacity 0, create opacity keyframe and go to here 100. And now select this camera 1, press P, unhide, and create new passing keyframe, go to here and move to up. And go to map, let's select this map composition, drag and drop into composition and turn on 3D layer and move to up. Okay, let's see. Nice, let's choose this work area, and in this time let's open map composition and select these logos. Let's change quality full. Let's choose Tesla, move the anchor point down and select this first logo, press S, change scale 0, create scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift page down keyboard, change this 110. Again go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, change 95, again 1 to 3, 100. For go to frame by frame keyframes, you can press page down keyboard and make keyframes easy. Okay, select keyframes, let's copy, go to first second, let's use for Microsoft and Amazon. And let's make random animations. Okay, So in this time, let's choose this Tesla, Ctrl D for duplicate, let's move to here. Okay, I think that's good. Nice, very good. So in this time, let's go to FS Presses, search effect reptile and use CC reptile, use for background 1 and change expand up for endless background layer. Now let's use again another effect from plugin play and let's go to plugin play, search here lights on and let's import. Let's go to window, X-Stations, and now we can see lights on in X-Stations. Let's open. And here we go, interface is very user friendly. We have light types like a dreamy day, sunny spot, velvet night, cherry moon, and other lighting styles. I will use this version. Let's choose this character, this compensation, and apply to comp. And here we go, it's done. Now let's choose this light, drag and drop to map compensation. Okay, let's open. We can see inside the compensation here, and this is animated elements, and also we can see settings. We can change global rotations, flare directions like this, and flare distance like this, and animation speed. Let's change speed like this and preview. So let's close window, back to characters and select this light. Let's move to here, let's see timing, and let's press T, open opacity, change opacity 0, create opacity keyframe, and go to here, change 100 and make the keyframes easy. Change durations. Okay, and this time let's go to templates and click search. Let's write here bird, and I will use bird rig After Effects templates. Let's import. So when I import templates, I don't need restart After Effects. I can see here compensation. Let's open inside, and we have two birds compensations. Let's open. This is first compensation and this is second compensation. Okay, so back to map compensation and use birds 2. Let's drag and drop into compensation here, and let's go to track matte. Let's track to layer 0. This is map layer, and enable map layer. Okay, that's good. And let's change scale. Press S, change scale. Okay, go to FS Presets, search effect fill, and let's use fill for birds and change color black. Okay, perfect. So guys, that's all, and we can use plugin play assets browsers for create like this documentary or VOX style video animations, and this is really for save my timing all in one place, plugins, scripts, and After Effects templates. That's really perfect product, and I will add link on description below. You can check out now, and thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.